The Bybit exchange is on record for being one of the biggest exchange hacks in all of crypto history. Bybit exchange just got hacked for $1.4 billion. But why is everybody in crypto so caught up in being an apologist? It's like they're trying to make excuses for these centralized exchanges, these leverage trading platforms that you should never be using because you're just going to waste all your money. Basically, it's like gambling, but with leverage, you can just lose money 100 times faster. They're very dangerous platforms, things like Bybit. They also take your keys away from you, but you got to realize that everybody's basically been getting paid out by Bybit. So when you see all these influencers making excuses for, oh, Bybit, you know, they're one of the good guys. Well, look, sure. What can I say about them? Well, they handled the crisis management pretty good. I think the founder of Bybit showed some pretty strong leadership qualities with the way he handled, you know, the crisis, high stress situation. But it's revealing that basically all of crypto is lining their pockets from feeding you referral links to Bybit. You know, because with Bybit, there's a lifetime referral bonus. So if an influencer refers you to Bybit, if they shove you into the slaughterhouse, and remember, 99% of traders actually do lose. It's not if, it's when. And the ones that win don't win as much as the ones that lose. But because they've got a lifetime referral tracker on you, the more you lose, the more the person that sent you there wins. So it's kind of messed up. You know, the whole state of crypto in general, long-term holding is what actually wins. That's why I like stuff like hacks where you can lock it up for multiple years. You know, holding Bitcoin, holding Ethereum over 5, 6, 7 years was ultimately way better than trying to be a day trader, because without an entire company behind you, you got to face the reality. You're probably not a very good day trader. Neither am I. But because Bybit is cutting the checks metaphorically with these insidious referral programs, that is why all of crypto is basically giving them kind of a way out. And I do think, honestly, for the price, that ironically this is bullish for Ethereum, because as Richard Hart tweeted, you know, these Ethereum are much less likely to get sold on the open market because everybody's tracking them, everybody's watching. If these ETH try to move to any exchange to get cashed out for dollars or whatever, there's going to be eyeballs on them and they're going to get caught. So you've got basically all this 1.4 billion of ETH that's kind of locked, and some of it's actually been burned already. This is actually great for the price. And you've seen Bybit actually taking the advice of people like Richard Hart and buying up so far over $100 million worth of ETH to make all the customers whole again before ETH starts pumping. So the silver lining here is that it might actually be a net positive for the price, but you should never use Bybit.